Ryobi knows. Cordless machines. The NiCad battery is more affordable, but it loses its charge relatively quickly. The battery goes flat after about 6 months, even with no use. The lithium-ion battery pack keeps its charge. It doesn't hold a charge memory like NiCad batteries do, so you don't have to worry about fully charging the battery and fully draining it between charges. Lithium-ion batteries are also lighter and more compact than NiCad batteries. The voltage is the engine of your machine. The higher the voltage, the greater the power. It's like the difference in power between a V6, V8 and V12 engine in a car. Amp hours are like the size of the fuel tank in a car. The larger the amp hours figure, the larger the fuel tank. Remember, the harder you drive your car, the faster you use the fuel. Here are the cells inside of a typical battery. Connecting each 3.6 volt cell in series gives you the required voltage for your battery that corresponds to your machine. So here, 5 times 3.6 volt cells equals 18 volts. Each group of cells connected in series, doubled up in parallel, give you the additional amperage you require. Now you know how to choose the cordless machine with a battery power to match your needs. Ryobi, power tools that won't quit.